Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So guys, today I went live and I share with you guys my opinions in the market. As usual, some traders were asking me, should they do this, should they do that? No, I don't usually give answers to those questions. So whenever you come to my live stream and you start asking, should you do this, should you do that, it means you don't know what you are doing in trading. So the best advice is to learn how to trade and become an independent trader. As I always say, the purpose of my live stream is to give divine probabilities, right? Give you an idea of what you should be looking out for in the market. It's not a live stream whereby I'm going to be giving financial or any investment advice. I do not do that. So currently right now we are on YouTube. So if you want to join us on YouTube, you can join us on YouTube. Make sure you follow us on our social media profile and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can also ask questions in the live stream, right? So today, I gave some analysis about some assets I have on my list, right? So, and if you have been following my analysis, if you have been paying attention, you should grab one or two or even more things, more information in my live stream. So there are some traders, all what they do is once they join the live stream, they are just right here to watch us, not participating, or what they are, but the main purpose they are in the live stream is just to listen to me giving them or maybe signals to do this, to do that, or do whatever. No, that's not the purpose of this live stream. The purpose of this live stream is to help you become an independent trader so that you can start making decisions personally, okay? So that you can make personal decisions. So that is the significance of this live stream, right? So that is the main reason. So this live stream is not to tell you to do this, to buy, to sell. No. I will never give such financial investment advice, right? So I'm right here to share my own personal opinion. So if my opinion correlates to your trading plans or your strategy, then you can act based on your own responsibility, right? So today I give analysis about some assets, different assets, and then some of these assets are currently going the way I forecasted, and then after I gave an analysis about a particular asset, there was a trader who was still asking me in the comments section on TikTok. This trader was asking, should you buy, should you sell? I intentionally ignored that question because that question is not meant for me. No, if you have been following me for a while right now, you will know I don't give answer to such questions. No, so those are irrelevant questions, right? So you don't expect me to tell you, okay, do this, okay, buy, okay, sell. No, I don't do that, right? So right. So first, let's go through some of the assets I gave analysis about, like the US oil. I gave analysis about the US oil today, and then as you can see, I told you guys, I said there is a possibility of an inverted head and shoulder chart pattern, right? So for those who grabbed that information, I know they should be in a trade entry right now. And as well, I share this trading setup in my Telegram group. I intentionally didn't announce it in the Telegram group. Yes, I intentionally didn't announce it because I discovered a lot of traders are in the Telegram group. Only few are participating in the discussion. Only few are contributing in the Telegram group. Most of the traders right there, they are just in the group to just hear information whenever I say buy or sell or whatever. If you are in my Telegram group and you are waiting for me to tell you to do this or do that or buy or sell, you are in the wrong group. You are in the wrong group because you will never hear such information, and I will never post that kind of information, right? Because the purpose of the Telegram group I created is to help struggling traders to become an independent traders, not to feed you with signals, not to feed you with fish. I want to make you to become an independent fisherman, independent trader, right? So the purpose is not to feed you with fish, but the purpose is to teach you how to fish yourself, right? How to be an independent trader, right? So that is why I decided not to announce the setup I sent in the Telegram group. So if you're in the Telegram group, I sent out a trading setup on US oil. I set it out under some of the tabs in the discussion in the Telegram group. So you can see under the Telegram group, we have the chart setup ideas under this section right here in the Telegram group. I sent out trade entries on US oil. You can see that I said US oil 4-hour potential inverted head and shoulder long setup. You can see the time I sent it. So I sent it 1:21 p.m. That was after I ended the live stream we held at 12 p.m. We ended the live stream around 5 minutes after 1, right? So after I ended the live stream, I posted the setup in the Telegram group, and I intentionally didn't announce it to the public, right? To members of the group, because it is your responsibility to participate, to contribute, and then to watch out for important information in the group, right? You can see I sent out pullback entry, aggressive entry, everything was being sent out right there, which currently right now all these trades are working out. I can see I already executed 2 positions on US oil, and then the 2 positions are in profit, right? So if you miss that entry, you could look for a way to calculate your risk. If you can still be able to make a minimum of 2 risk to reward ratio, then you can make your decision personally, right? So here is the update I want to share with you as well. Based on USD Canada is still giving us a pullback, but I am not yet comfortable with the pullback we have right there. So I just want to patiently make an entry at a nice structure, right? So based on what I have right here is I want to see, let's check on the day chart. So based on the day chart, I can see there's a potential low high swing on the low high swing. So I fire my trade line all the way down. I have something like this is what I have. So I'm trying to capture the eye of this bar right there, likewise the eye of this strong bearish candlestick. If price can make it maybe a pullback to this level structural formation right there, this could be a nice short entry for USD Canada, right? So that is what I have on USD Canada. So based on the 4-hour chart, so you can see this is what I have on the 4-hour chart. Based on the 4-hour chart, this is what I have. So let's hope price gonna make a pullback. And as well, application of Fibonacci retracement tool from this high bar all the way down to the current price structure right here. So if you can see a pullback maybe to the 0.5, that would be nice. Price could as well fluctuate to the 0.618 price level. So these are the levels I'm watching out for potential second entry on USD Canada, right? So these are my opinions. It's not intended as an investment advice, right? So this is just a quick update I want to share with you guys. And let's check the GBP paired against the USD. GBP paired against the USD. Now I told you guys, I said I will never jump into a market at a high structure, right? I told you guys I will never jump into the market at a high structure. So it seems price is gonna carve a doji candlestick today. So if price can carve a doji candlestick at an extreme high, then it's a strong indication of a potential pullback to the downside, right? So let's hope the 1.25900 will act as a potential support for price. If it failed to act as a support, then expect price to pull down to the next key level structure at the 1.2449, right? So that's my view on GBP paired against the USD. And based on the euro paired against the USD, this is what we have right here. So price is currently approaching, in fact, almost near to a major key level resistance structure. So let's hope price is gonna make a pullback all the way down to test the previous broken structure at the 1.08437. Maybe it's gonna act as a potential support for price, right? So that's my view on euro paired against the USD. And all the way down to Australian dollar paired against the USD. This is what I have right here. Price is at a resistance structure. Price tested the dynamic structure the first time. As you can see, we have the first test structure right here. This was the first test. We have the second test right here. We have the third test right there. Presently right now, we have the fourth test today, right? So, and based on the positions I executed in the market, I am currently shorting USD, so this is why I am not comfortable to short AUD paired against the USD, because currently right now I am currently trading assets against USD. Since I'm longing US oil, if I'm longing US oil, then it technically means I believe the US currency is weak, because if the price of oil is going up, it means it requires more dollars to purchase the unit of the asset of oil, right? So which means the US dollars, the oil is getting stronger against the USD. So if I'm gonna be longing US oil and then shorting USD against Canada, then it doesn't make sense for me to short AUD paired against the USD. If I'm doing that, then it means I am indirectly purchasing some I'm purchasing USD, right? So this is why I don't want to do that. So everything I'm going to be doing is to short USD, and then indirectly buy the other asset. So someone said my analysis always go on my way, but it take 1 to 2 weeks before it gets to my target. So if you are a swing trader, then that means it's gonna take longer before your target is being achieved. And as well, let's check the 4-hour chart. This is based on the 4-hour chart. Let's check the market structure on the 4-hour chart. So this is what I have on the 4-hour chart. For those of you guys who want to look out for a break to the downside, you can see the trend line on the 4-hour chart is still holding price. We have the higher low swing right here. We got a higher low swing right here. We got a series of rejection structures right here. You can see that. So price is still struggling at this zone. There could be a sudden pullback to the upside. So that is what I can see on the ULZ paired against AUD paired against the USD, right? So that's my view right here. And let's check on the New Zealand paired against the USD. New Zealand paired against the USD. This is what I have as well. The same, almost the same analysis on the new AUD paired against the USD is applicable to New Zealand paired against the ULZ. We have the first test right here, the second test, and anyway, price didn't test right here, but we can still tag this zone right here as a potential hiding resistance structure. We got a fourth test right there. This is the fifth test structure right there. So let's hope price gonna make a pullback to the downside. Like I stated earlier, I'm not gonna be shorting any currency against the USD, because if I do that, it means I'm trading against myself, right? So that is my view on that. And let's go to the other asset. On the other asset, we have USD Canada, which I already have the short position I told you guys, and then what I'm currently looking out for. And the USD yen as well, price is currently testing the lower band of this channel. You can see that. So the price has been in an uptrend right from the swing low structure all the way from this level. We got a lower low structure right here. We got a higher swing right here. We got a higher swing right here. We got a test structural formation right here. So this level right here could act as as a support for price. No one can tell. So if price can break this dynamic rising band of this channel, if price can break this level right here, this will constitute more interest for these bears to put price all the way down. And this will as well affect our position on USD Canada, because if there are a lot of sellers on USD yen, and if they are able to break the lower band of this rising channel, it means there will be more liquidity in the USD currency, and this would affect our short position on USD Canada to go more in a negative direction, just like we have anticipated for a more downward flow of price, right? So that is what I have on USD yen right here, right? Alternatively, price could still find a rejection resistance for price, and that is the price of the 148.982, right? So price could still make a gravitation out to this structure right here, and then there could be a rejection all the way down, right? So if you can have that, this will really help this asset to gravitate all the way down aggressively, because if you can have a rejection right here as a resistance, then this could be a low high swing, which is a formation of a downtrend or price action, right? So that's my view on the USD yen, right? And there, let's check other asset we have. I have the USD switch, What do we have on the USD switch? The USD switch is currently going in an aggressive downtrend. The price is going downtrend, but I don't like this. Or I don't like to jump into the market at an extreme low. So I like to short high and a long low. So based on what we have on USD switch, if you are a trader on USD switch, the best thing to do is to look out for a pullback. If you can look out for a pullback at the major key level structure of the 0.8829219, that will be a nice short entry, right? That is my view on USD switch. Alternatively, price could still break out and then test this descending trend line, just like we had right here as a low high swing. We got right here as a higher high, so price could carve another low high swing. And one of the tools you could use to detect the point of test is your Fibonacci retracement tool. So the application of a Fibonacci retracement tool right here reveal the 0.5 could be a nice structure for a retest, and then this structure right here could give us a nice confluence factor, just like we can see right here. We got a support structure right here, which was a higher low broken down, so price could make a pullback to this level. This is 0.5, and if this level can act as a low high swing, this will be nice in combination with our descending trend line, low high swing. So this is my view on the USD switch. So if you're a trader looking for trade opportunity on USD switch, that is another way you could be looking at for trade opportunity on the USD switch, right? Remember, if you have a question, you can always ask your question, right? Ask your questions. If you have a question, you can ask me questions, right, through the comment section. So right now, let's check other assets we have in this market right here. I have other assets, and let's navigate all the way down to the USD yuan. The USD yuan, it's in a downtrend, and the price is currently trading at a minor structure. We have a key level structure right here. So this is for the Asian traders. You can see that. So we have these key level structures right here. You can see the breakout of levels on this price chart. We have a resistance structure be broken right here. We have a support structure. If you are that trader who trades the yuan currency pairs, you could check out this asset. What I can see on this asset is this asset has a potential trade opportunity, right? And I told you guys I really love to trade this asset due to its simplicity. I really enjoy trading assets. I know I understand this asset so well, so I trade them most time, right? So based on what I can see on the USD yuan, there could be a trade setup on this asset, right? So if you trade USD yuan, you could check it out. If you haven't traded this currency pairs before, don't try to do that, right? Don't try to do that. Only trade assets you are familiar with, right? So this is what I have on the USD yuan, right? So you could check it out. Price could make a pullback from this structure. If price can make a pullback right here, well, this will also interest a strength on the USD, and this could affect our trades on other assets, right? So let's see what price gonna do at this level. Alternatively, if price can break all the way down, this really be nice for our trade on the USD paired against the Canadian dollars, right? So that is what I have on the USD yuan, right? So currently right now I won't be looking for a long entry because I am shorting USD paired against the Canada. You all know that. So that is my view right here, right? So let's check out the other exotic currency pairs we have right here. We have the USD Singaporean dollar right here, and you can see price is going in a downtrend, though the USD currency pairs are weak, right? So the USD currency pairs are currently weak in the market, right? So price is currently approaching a potential support structure as well, which acts at the price of the 1.32027. That is on the USD Singaporean dollar, right? So let's expect more downtrend flow, right? And based on the USD South African rand, this is for my South African traders. Unfortunately, the USD South African rand is in a choppy market. In a choppy market, things are just going crazy. And this type of choppy market, I don't like to get myself involved, because if you try to trade this type of asset, there are higher chances, you're gonna struggle to make profit in this type of market. So this is why I don't participate in this type of market. So the best way to make money is to look out for trending markets. So based on what I have right here, this is a choppy market, and this type of market I always try to avoid this type of market right right here. Can see that. So market is just going crazy without a definite trend or direction. So if you try to look for a trade right here, maybe you want to go long, the market could go up and go down. If you want to go short, the market could go up. Can see it's just a zigzag market, choppy market, a noisy market. So this is a market for the crowd, right? So this is why I am not interested in this asset right here for now, right? Okay, let's check another asset we have. Now we have the yen currency pairs. The yen currency pairs, I told you guys, the British pound sterling paired against the JPY is at a critical zone. So I told you how you're gonna approach this asset. If you missed my previous analysis on GBP paired against the JPY, please check my YouTube channel for the copy of the live stream analysis. Euro yen as well. You can see right now the rising trend line failed to act as a dynamic support for price, and price is currently giving us a double top pattern formation. So based on what we have right there, the euro yen is poised for a more downtrend, and the next key level support structure acts as the trend line we got right here. You can see we got a higher low structure, higher low structure, higher low structure. This level right here could have a higher low structure, right? So that is what I can see on the euro paired against the JPY. And the AUD yen as well, you can see that price is breaking downward, and we have a potential double top formation forming up. We have the New Zealand yen as well. We have a rejection from the higher high swings. We have the Canada yen as well. We have like a choppy market right here. We have the switch yen. If you want to trade all these minor currency pairs, we have to be very careful. And most time I don't trade them. I only trade them if I can see the technicals are so strong. So I don't just trade them. I trade them only if I can see strong technicalities on them, right? So this is what I have on this asset right here. Based on what I can see on USD currency pairs, I prefer the USD currency pairs. They are trending right now. Things are so easy right here. Trade setup are so easy right here to be detected, right? So these are what I want to share with you guys today, right? GB Canada as well, still an uptrend. GB switch, we having a pullback, but for me it's a ranging medium market. I don't want to involve myself in all this type of market right here, right? GB paired against the Australian dollar, to me is in a very choppy market. I told you guys how I tried to short a trade right here, but the market takes me up and down, and eventually I have to close my position right here in small loss position size. And the British pound sterling paired against the New Zealand, it's a crazy market right here. You can see the dynamic trend line is acting as a support for price. We have the Europe GBP, which I always warn you guys, don't try to trade this asset. If you trade this asset, you are putting yourself into a lot of trouble. And the euro paired against the Canadian dollar right here, price is still in an uptrend. The euro switch right here, price has broken down all the way down. But I don't like this kind of patterns right here. These are like a very choppy, complex market. We have the euro yen as well, very choppy, sideways market with no specific direction. The Australian dollar paired against the Canadian dollar, we are still open for a pullback to the downside of this now rising trend line. You can see that. And Australian dollar paired against the switch as well, a choppy market. I don't like that. AUD paired against the New Zealand. I want you guys to stay off this asset. Don't try to trade this asset. If you do that, you are trying to trade against yourself. And the New Zealand paired against the Canadian dollar as well. This is what we have right here. You can see that price currently broke out. We are waiting for a pullback. New Zealand paired against the switch as well, a ranging market, choppy market, noisy market. And the Canada switch, I told you guys yesterday, for those who were looking to short, who were looking to long, I told you it's very risky. And then the live stream I gave today, the analysis I gave today, I told you guys, I said there's a possibility of price to make a pullback to the downside. I told you can watch a copy of my live stream. I told you that was around 12 p.m. today. I told you expect more downtrend on Canada switch. You can see right now price precipitated all the way down, and price broke the rising channel I constructed this afternoon. Yes, by 12 p.m. I give the analysis on this asset. So currently right now, this is what we have. So we are gonna eliminate this descending trend line right here, which means it failed. Or anyway, we can still leave this right there for future references, right? So this is what I want to share with you guys, right? And I already closed my position on Tesla. So the reason why I closed my position on Tesla, let me show you guys. I have a falling channel, and I can see price tested this falling channel right here. So I have to trade my profit, and eventually the market eats my trade profit. So I am currently out. So my profit was more than my risk level, so I was able to achieve something like a 1 point something risk to reward ratio because I was trading my profit. So I trade my profit and the market eats my trading profit, so which is nice. So I want to I am hoping price would put back to this rising trend line, just like we had right there as a higher low structure. Right here we had it as a lower low, so let's hope for another right there, higher low swing structure. So that is what I have on Tesla. So I was able to close Tesla in profit with 1.1, 1.2 risk to reward ratio of profit, because I was trying to trade my profit, right? So this is what I want to share with you guys today. And the cryptocurrency market, if you want more information about the cryptocurrency market, you can join my Telegram group and ask me questions on cryptocurrency market. Right, guys? So I just want to give you guys a quick update what I'm doing right here from my end, so that you guys can have an idea. And for those of you guys who have missed the trade I set in my Telegram group, you make sure you are always active and then you contribute, in the Telegram group, right? The Telegram group the purpose of the Telegram group is to help you to become an independent trader, right? You don't just have to join and just keep quiet expecting me to pull out signals, right? So that is not the best way you could make the best use of the Telegram or group, right? So thank you guys. So our time is up. This is just a short I just want to give you guys this update, so we're just gonna make it so short. So thank you guys for the share, for the support, for the like, for the comments. So I'll be right there tomorrow 12 p.m. GMT +1, right? And then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and they'll enable the notification bell, so whenever I'm live you can always get a notification. Thank you guys. Looking forward to seeing you tomorrow in the live stream analysis. Peace.